Look up at the night sky. Among the countless stars, one glows with a steady reddish fire, Mars. For millennia we've watched it, named it for our gods of war, and wondered what secrets it holds. Mars is more than just a planet, it's a cosmic mirror, reflecting both a possible past for Earth and a potential future for us. Its story is written in rust-red dust, deep canyons, and frozen water beneath its surface. Our journey to Mars begins not with a rocket, but with an idea that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Mars beckons, a neighbor with a tale of transformation, of blue skies and flowing rivers, now a silent frozen desert. What happened to this world? The answers are etched into the Martian landscape waiting for us. Our robotic emissaries, rovers, and orbiters are piecing together this incredible story. They reveal a world both familiar and strange, towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and planet-circling dust storms. Every discovery deepens the mystery and fuels our desire to go there ourselves. So let's embark on a journey through time and space to witness Mars's birth, its dramatic transformation, and its possible future as a second home. The story of Mars is about origins, destiny, and the relentless human spirit of curiosity. The red planet's whispers call us to explore the cosmic ocean. Imagine Mars not as a red desert, but as a young, vibrant world. 4 billion years ago, Mars had a thick atmosphere and a greenhouse effect that allowed liquid water to flow. Blue oceans may have covered its northern hemisphere, with rivers carving through highlands into vast lakes. Clouds drifted through a butterscotch sky and rain fell on volcanic shores. Water, key to life, was abundant, making ancient Mars perhaps even more hospitable than early Earth. Evidence of this watery past is everywhere. Ancient river deltas, winding channels, and minerals that form only in water. Rovers have found clays and sulfates, proof of long-standing lakes and rivers. Valles Marineris, the Great Canyon, shows signs of cataclysmic floods that shaped its colossal structure. Mars was once alive with dramatic change and immense power. The Mars of billions of years ago was not quiet. It was a world of dynamic geology and flowing water. Its ancient landscapes hint at a time when life may have had a chance to begin. What happened to Mars? How did a water-rich world become a frozen desert? The answer lies deep within its core. Like Earth, young Mars had a molten iron core and a protective magnetic field. But Mars is smaller, so its core cooled quickly. The magnetic field vanished. Without this shield, the solar wind stripped away the atmosphere, molecule by molecule. As the air thinned, surface pressure dropped. Water could no longer remain liquid. It boiled away, or froze. The planet grew colder, rivers dried up, lakes vanished, and oceans became salt-crusted plains. This transformation took hundreds of millions of years, a rapid decline in cosmic terms. Mars lost its chance to become a thriving world. Today its atmosphere is less than 1% as thick as Earth's, a ghostly remnant. The planet that may have cradled life became a tomb. Mars's story is a stark reminder of how fragile a planetary environment can be. Its fate warns us of the importance of protecting our own world. For decades, Mars was just a distant point of light. Now our robotic explorers are on the ground. NASA's rovers, Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, are our eyes and hands on Mars. They've found irrefutable evidence of ancient water, streambed gravels, mudstones, and clay minerals. Curiosity discovered rounded pebbles shaped by flowing rivers and complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Perseverance is searching Jezero Crater's ancient river delta for biosignatures and caching rock samples for return to Earth. These rovers have revealed a world of extreme weather, dust devils, planet-encircling storms, and mysterious methane spikes. On Earth, most methane comes from life. On Mars, it could be geological or a hint of microbes deep underground. The rover's discoveries are revolutionizing our understanding of the red planet. Each new finding brings us closer to answering the question, was there ever life on Mars? The adventure is just beginning. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. This colossal shield volcano stands nearly 16 miles high, 3 times taller than Everest, and its base covers an area the size of Arizona. On Mars, the crust is static, no plate tectonics, so a single hot spot built Olympus Mons over billions of years. Its immense size reveals Mars's once active hot interior. Some lava flows are geologically young, hinting Mars might not be entirely dead, just dormant. This internal heat could support life beneath the surface. Imagine standing at the summit above most of the thin atmosphere, the sky nearly black, stars visible even by day. Below, the red plains stretch to a hazy horizon. Olympus Mons is a monument to Mars's ancient power, a silent giant awaiting future explorers. Climbing it will be one of the great adventures for Martian astronauts. If Olympus Mons is Mars's greatest mountain, Valles Marineris is its greatest wound. This canyon system stretches over 2,500 miles, about the distance from New York to Los Angeles, and plunges more than 4 miles deep. Unlike Earth's Grand Canyon, Valles Marineris was born from tectonic forces as the Tharsis region bulged and the crust ripped apart. Later, catastrophic floods from melting subsurface ice widened and deepened the chasm. Landslides, some of the largest anywhere, have further sculpted its walls. Valles Marineris is a testament to the combined power of rock and water. Its cliffs expose billions of years of Martian history, a layered storybook for future explorers. Scientists could search for evidence of ancient oceans, volcanic eruptions, and even fossils. To stand on its rim is to witness the raw power of another world. The ultimate question driving Mars exploration: are we alone? We're searching not for aliens but for microbes, tiny life that may have arisen when Mars was young and wet. Finding even a fossilized Martian bacterium would change everything, proving life is a cosmic phenomenon. We hunt for biosignatures, chemical traces, special minerals, or microscopic fossils. Jezero Crater's river delta is a prime spot for such evidence. Today, Mars's surface is harsh, but just below, conditions might allow briny water and life to persist. Methane plumes and hints of subsurface water keep the mystery alive. As we search, we must protect Mars from contamination and safeguard Earth from anything we bring back. The search for life is both a scientific and ethical journey, forcing us to consider our place in the universe. A human mission to Mars is no longer science fiction. It's a real goal for NASA and private companies. The journey will be long and dangerous, but the reward is monumental: to set foot on another planet. Early missions will be short expeditions, testing survival and using Martian resources, extracting water, making oxygen, and producing fuel. Learning to live off the land is key to becoming a multiplanetary species. In the future, small colonies may grow in lava tubes for radiation shielding, with greenhouses and research centers. A Martian colony would be a backup for humanity, an outpost with its own culture and challenges. The boldest dream is terraforming. Engineering Mars to be more Earth-like, a project of centuries. This could involve releasing greenhouse gases, redirecting comets, and eventually making water stable on the surface. Terraforming raises profound ethical questions, but it's the ultimate expression of our ability to shape destiny. Mars could become humanity's second home. Mars has always captured our imagination. Close enough to see, far enough to be a true frontier. To explore Mars is to follow in the footsteps of every great explorer, driven by curiosity and the urge to discover. The Red Planet is a scientific treasure chest holding answers to our deepest questions. Did life ever arise elsewhere? What does Mars's past reveal about Earth's future? Studying Mars teaches us about climate, geology, and the fragility of planetary environments. Ultimately, Mars is about perspective. All of human history has unfolded on one small world. Establishing a presence on Mars would give us a second vantage point, a new way to see ourselves. From Mars, Earth is just a pale blue dot in the sky, reminding us of our unity and the beauty of our home. Will we become a multiplanetary species? The challenges are immense, but the pull is undeniable. Mars calls us to be more creative, collaborative, and courageous. Its story is still being written, and we are the authors. The red dust of Mars awaits our footprints, and with them, the next chapter in the human adventure.